The Eat the Fat Off is a 21-day step-by-step guide to lose pounds by increasing your body's natural thinning enzyme. It is a simple guidebook that consists of fatty foods and enzymatic boosting foods that you should eat to lose more pounds. It supports you with improved energy, vitality, and health. This method helps your body to produce massive amounts of thinning enzyme naturally, which is called Lipase. You can start enjoying eating tasty, fatty foods without any guilt of gaining weight. Features of Eat the Fat Off program. It is a globally accepted fact that diet plays a very important role in your physique and fitness. Even if you are planning to sign up for a gym membership, it will not produce any results if you don't stick to a healthy diet and lifestyle along with it. Unhealthy foods and snacks have infiltrated down to every level possible. We are surrounded by unhealthy junk and fast food laced with chemicals and non-nutritious ingredients. Not only we are surrounded by it, but unhealthy food is promoted and bombarded through every channel possible, such as television, internet, smartphone, and much more. The Eat the Fat Off PDF is quite simple. Change your diet and follow a few simple steps. This can give you drastic results in weight loss and general well-being. Sounds too good to be true, that's what I thought initially. But this program makes more sense than what most other guaranteed weight loss programs do. The main feature of the program is that you don't have to stick to any unrealistic workout routine or starve yourself in order to lose weight. Just stick to the recommended foods and you can notice real results in a short span of time. Pros and cons of Eat the Fat Off book. Like how you are feeling right now, I was very skeptical about the whole thing. However, there were literally tons of Eat the Fat Off reviews that claimed to provide real results for the users. This prompted me to give it a try and see the results for myself. The following is what I experienced as soon as I started using the program. Pros. This actually helped me to lose weight. Contrary to popular belief, eating more actually helped me lose a lot of weight. I could feel an increase in my body's metabolism rate, which gave me more energy and fitness. Free from obesity-related problems and illnesses, I no longer had medical issues or internal health problems such as blood pressure, heart attacks, and much more. I became healthier and active. I got relief from joint pain and inflammation. I used to experience constant joint stiffness and pain every day. However, after taking up this program, I got much needed relief from this problem. Look younger and fitter. As per the Eat the Fat Off review, losing weight helps me to become fitter, and it also helped me look and feel younger. My skin felt better and healthier. I got my youthful self back and felt more confident. Cons. Doesn't work unless you apply it. The Eat the Fat Off free PDF doesn't work if you don't apply what you learn from the guide. It is not a pill that can be consumed to give you results. You have to alter your diet and follow the instructions if you are serious about getting results. Only available online. Feel like picking up a book? Or just want to meet the author for a personal session? Unfortunately, this is not possible. You can only buy and download the digital format of the guide. Eat the Fat Off FAQ. What is Eat the Fat Off? Eat the Fat Off is a secret routine program that helps you in losing weight efficiently and effectively. The program encourages the person to consume only healthy and nutritious food and is indifferent towards sugary and junk food. Does this Eat the Fat Off program would be able to lose weight without compromising on food? The main feature of the program is that you would be able to lose weight without compromising on food. And in this program, there is no requirement to stick to a strict routine. Is there any good weight loss program to lose weight naturally? The Eat the Fat Off program helps you to improve the perception of yourself on becoming slimmer. It is an online weight loss program that's all about eating instead of elimination by adding the correct foods into your diet. What foods help you to lose weight? If you want to lose weight, eat foods like eggs, oatmeal, nuts, avocados, berries, and leafy greens that are full of fiber and other nutrients that'll help you lose weight. Does Eat the Fat Off burn fat? This program encourages the person to consume only healthy and nutritious food and is indifferent towards sugary and junk food.